Dinco. We are a business with more than 15 years of experience in fields such as design, fabrication, on-site delivery, and installation of volatile steel structures, tanks, conveyor systems, and mechanical equipment with 100% precision and reliability. Thanks to the innovative and interesting vision of Dinco, we have focused on providing precise solutions in the metal mechanic field and civil edifications, achieving 100% on time and 100% complete project deliveries with safety and excellent quality. One of our products' main characteristic is that they are bolted, which grant them the attribute of being reliable, precise, and secure. This allows an on-site assembly with perfect accuracy. Thanks to the certified processes to design, manufacture, and deliver to site. The solutions we offer to the industry and commerce are engineering design, mining projects, aggregated plants, cement industries projects, belt conveyors, tanks, plug-and-play integrated system, manufacturing plants, constructions. Our product success and our client satisfaction in the metal mechanic industry has brought us to different countries all around the world, which locate us as a competitive business recognized on a national and international level, always 100% safe and reliable. At Dinco, we are ISO 9001-2015 and ASME certified, supported by a team of professionals in the different fields such as civil and mechanical engineers, architects, mechanic designers, maintenance technicians, projects and quality managers, financiers and economists. Making a license to optimize our product quality and take us to level of excellence for our clients is one of Dinco's main objectives. Hence why we have a license with Steel Projects PLM, Rickworks, Capes, Cassidy and Associates. A distinctive characteristic at Dinco is that 100% of our electric energy is provided by renewable energy. This means that our plant is 100% fed by solar energy, preventing the delivery of 450 tons of CO2 to the environment. At Dinco, our permanent commitment is to keep solving the requirement of a growing industry on a worldwide level, and for actual, past, and future projects to be a referent on the metal mechanic field, always 100% safe and 100% reliable.